In this step of the chain of custody setup, we are attaching or linking our product certifications. They're not legal requirement notes. They're not customer specific. They're part of the chain of custody, and chain of custody certification percentage may be 100%, 70%, 75%, and so on. Not set up for auto-linking to species or to stock code. They are supplier specific and they're warehouse specific. May use a percentage on receipt, such as 80% certified. Link certification is to a warehouse or warehouses that are certified to sell product using that certification. Against each certification, you can set notes for purchases and sales documents, which will be printed on those documents. In this step, we need to create our product certifications. To do that, you'd go to the Inventory module, Setup tab, Product Certifications. In here, we get to set up our new product certifications, each type of our product and our species. To that, you would normally go click on New, and I'm going to use the example of our existing product certifications to walk you through what we do. So this one is for a miscellaneous credit for maple molding. So we'll select this one, and we'll go up to Edit, and we've given a certification code FSC MAP. It's an FSC miscellaneous credit maple molding certification. Certifying body is FSC. Legal requirement, no. Customer specific, no. Chain of custody, yes, it's part of the chain of custody. Sell at a percent certified. You can be anywhere from 1 to 100%. In this case, we've said 100%. It could be 70 or 60. Allow receipt at other than 100% certified, yes. Receive at 0 certified, no. Supplier specific, yes. Warehouse specific, yes. Okay to update, or in this case, or add, yes. And now you've created your certificate or certification, and you can see all the information here at this point. And next we would add our notes to our product certifications. To do that, you'd select your product certification, click on the Notes button, and then click on the New button to open up the properties for the product certification notes. And now we can add a properties as to what information or where the information will print on an order acknowledgement, delivery note, invoice, purchase orders, or lift labels. To add the information and the notes, click on Properties, and then the description, you would want to type in what the description is going to be. Once you've typed in the description and you move down through by pressing Enter, you have 5 choices. N for Do Not Print. H, insert as order comment and print once for an order. Or D, insert as order comment and print for each stock code. Or O, print once for each order. And L, print for each stock code. Then you have a choice. Which one of these choices do you want? And then you make a choice for each of your different documents. For example, print on invoice. Which choice do you want? Insert the order comment and print once per an order. Let's say that that is our choice. Print on purchase order. Print on lift label. Yes or no. You would say yes to save your choice. And now you have the basic information for miscellaneous credit maple sales. And now you would write your comment as to what you want to print on each one of those documents that you have set up. And as you can see, order acknowledgement, we says add as an order header, delivery note, invoice, purchase order, or lift label. You can go back and make changes if that's not what you want. And now you've created your note to go on to your documents. And again, you can see it's for the order acknowledgement, delivery note, invoice, lift label, and purchase order. And then you could copy this information to another certification. And that is how you create notes for your certification product. And remember, it's not customer specific, so when you click on customers, it will come up with this warning telling you this certification is not customer specific. Suppliers, it's supplier specific. So we could add our suppliers or certify our suppliers. To certify our suppliers, at this point you would go select a supplier, Evergreen, and you would put in a certification code here. Just by double clicking in this field, you put the certification code in, and any other suppliers as well, you do the same thing here. So we have Evergreen Supplies is certified as a supplier, and we have Rainbow Wood Products as an example, also certified as a supplier. And you make sure there's a check mark beside each. And then once you've selected them, you would say OK, and you've now selected your certified suppliers. You can look at your certification pool, and you can see that we have a certification pool set up here, certification maple document, maple, and so on, and against the divisions and the companies. And we'll come back to this a little bit later. Warehouses, we attach our certifications to a warehouse. So in this case, we decide we're going to attach it to the Toronto warehouse, Calgary warehouse, and Vancouver. And again, you double click here, you enter in the certification registration for that warehouse, and same thing with the other two warehouses as well. They will have their own unique certification registration. Once you set those up, you say OK. And when you click on a stock code, you can then go in and select the stock codes that will be part of your certification. As you can see here, some stock codes are set up as certified stock codes, and they are showing here. And we'll come back to these a little later as well. And if you try to link stock codes that are not certified, there is no certification, as you can see here. You will get an error message, and they will not be linked because they're not certified. Then you can click on the species, but you'll see the product certifications are not automatically linked to new stock codes by species.